Oh, welcome guys, and I'd like to introduce you into a tower defense tutorial that I've been wanting to do a little bit, and I've refined a little bit of our script. Now, what you're going to see is I've been nicing up the UI a little bit, for money and things like that for later on, and for the full integration. So you're pretty much going to have a full tutorial from end to start when it comes to the tower defense. You'll have AI that moves around, which I've already started, and I've got this stuff right here, which it's all set up to allow the enemy to spawn into the world and things and be killed. See, I've got our little tower here that I've kept picking on for like hundreds of years. He's got a script. Enemies do spawn right here, and I've been working on it. But the thing that I wanted to talk about was the UI and stuff. Now, if you've seen some of my older tutorials, you could easily finish this game, most likely, because this is just doing with the UI, and I've animated the UI to be part of an animation now, so we can add and do cool things like this. Open, and it will bring up a menu and stuff, which in code and stuff like that we'll be calling this. I've already started writing it and things, and start explaining it, and UI panels and vice versa. Now let's go into the script. Now I have started another turret. It is, and I've modified the pulling script. So instead of pull spawn and letting it do its magic behind the scene on a vector 3 and that, you can actually get a copy of the prefab from the puller and have it added to the whole dictionary and everything, and just have it do what it needs to be done. I don't know what this is here for, but it's leaving. But yeah, this will return a game object for you now. Now it's pretty similar up to here, and we do some other stuff. If this is null, return null, or return. If it's not null, return this. Which means in our canon script, we should probably do not our canon, but our missile types. This, I haven't done the final touches to it yet. Actually, I pretty much have. We're not going to have, we're going to have, okay. Yeah, that is all there. Enemy types, okay. And we still do all our little range stuff and targeting and stuff. Our body helpers and this and that. But in our shooting code, we change. We're going to get a random amount out of the array and point it to a specific turret that we want to shoot out of based on our angle and things, which we don't even need this check for, because this is a heat-seeking missile now. So we get a temporary variable, and because we need a pointer, and it will equal whatever our pooler gives us, okay? And this is where I should put if temp equals null, then we do this and we return. Just an error check. It'll probably never come up null, but in case it does, so it, between frames and stuff like that with instantiate, it's always an iffy thing. So If it returns null, it never does the flashes or anything. You never know about it. But our temp variable is equal to whatever we get out of the our object pooling system. We check it for null. If it's not null, then it does this stuff. We play our muzzle flash, which could be smoke in this instance, or, you know, and then we just play it. We don't care about anything else. We just play it. Because missiles are slow, but they're damaging. So, yeah, we'll do that. And we change the position of the game object to where it needs to go. And we slap the range in here to make sure it's in the right turn hard point. You know, so, you know, your muzzle flash isn't in a different place than where the actual missile comes out. And we change the rotation to come out that rotation. And in this, we are doing a get component, and we will be passing the target that is in our missile script. We're going to be passing my target into it. And this missile script is right here. This is another script called pool missile. It works on a rigid body just like our other one, but we are doing a interpolation for the rotation and stuff. Okay? Because it's going to go forward regardless. And it will interpolate this to its position and stuff. And it will do its trigger stuff. Okay? Now on this damage, I have full damage. This is another variable that I have right here. Full damage is another string. If it's equal to this, it will do the full damage amount. And if it's not, it will do half of it. And then we just, hey, it hits something, let's disable the game object thing. So that's pretty much it. And the next thing I'll be working on now is a tower laser. So be on the move for that. But that's all I really wanted and stuff. So take care and be cool.